How to boost a post on Facebook in a few simple steps. You can boost or promote so many different types of posts on Facebook, including videos, questions, offers, and photos. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use our kitchen visualizer to do Facebook posts and Facebook ads. This feature is called Boost because you want to instantly push your reach within literally 2 clicks and get people to react. This means that your post will be seen by people that aren't currently following your business, people that haven't already liked your business Facebook page. Indeed, this post will appear in the news feed of anybody you will have targeted based on their interests and demographics, such as age and gender. Logging in. So, what you will do now is go to your Facebook page and log in as the Facebook admin. Creating a post. Now copy and paste the visualizer link here where the post appear on your Facebook page. Go to your kitchen visualizer, as you can see here, copy and paste your web link. Right-click it and press copy, just like you would do any other posts. Now click here. We're going to paste the link. Hit this little plus button here. You should have received an image of the kitchen visualizer for social media posting. Locate that image. You are going to attach it to your Facebook post. Go ahead and attach that file. It should simply add the thumbnail right there for you. Now you're going to want to add some text. You can now remove the link and be creative. You can write something like, "Design your dream kitchen online. Try out our new kitchen design tool." In reality, however you feel will engage consumers best. You can now go ahead and press the publish button. Once your post is published, you're good to go. Your post will look like this. So if you click on this, or if your consumers click on this, it will take them straight to the kitchen visualizer. This post is now available to all those people who have liked your page already. Let's now put this post in front of more people, a targeted audience that we will define now together to increase your reach, get more engagement, drive more traffic, and ultimately more sales. Boosting that post. Now you should see a button that says Boost Post to promote this post. When you click on Boost Post, you will be using the kitchen visualizer to do page Facebook ads. Don't forget that when a consumer uses our visualizer, whether from their desktop or their phone, when they get to the 10th click, they will be prompted to put their information in. This information then gets sent to you, so it acts as a lead capture. So, using our tools will enable you to capture people's information. Targeting your audience. Let's define our audience. Here, you will simply click on People you choose through targeting. You will create your own target market and press on Save. Here is one used as an example. We called it Consumers New. This is where you choose to target a specific age range, gender, and interests. For instance, kitchen cabinets, remodeling, combined household income, countertop, quartz, kitchen design, custom home, home improvement, etc. Setting your budget. Down here is where you type in your budget. You can launch the Facebook ad campaign over 7 days. $3 a day, this is our daily budget. So over 7 days, here it says that you will reach approximately 200 to 800 people. Setting the boost duration. So, as you change your budget and the duration of your ad, it will tell you the estimated people reached. Please note that you can only boost a post for up to 14 days. Now, preview your post, select your payment option and click on Boost. Before you press on Boost Post, make sure to have a strategy in place. Is it to get more website traffic, promote new products or services, increase brand awareness, in other words, let people know about your business, or increase brand engagement, in other words, get shares, comments and likes? Try posting at various times of the week to figure out the best time to boost the post. Try out different call to actions, images and wording. Don't forget that this is a paid ad, and although it is as simple as pressing that button, do consider all the points above mentioned. Before dedicating time and money, define who you are targeting and why. If you need another webinar on Facebook ads, do not hesitate to call us on 844-QUOTE-44 or email our support team at support@countertops.com. Thank you for watching our tutorial. We look forward to working with you. Bye-bye.